make a mixture of movie replicas, steampunk, post-apocalyptic, and some satirical stuff. The back row here is all steampunk, of which we want to make some more. And the front row are all plague masks based on the 17th century bubonic plague doctors. And then we have a complete mix over here of Kim Jong-un, the supreme leader of North Korea. We've got a trench zombie and a zombie Captain America, as well as our range of Alice in Wonderland masks that we've just brought out. Creaturegeddon's excellent. I think we need more things like this in the UK, definitely. We did our first live public convention, which was Comic-Con earlier in the year, and the main difference between that and Creaturegeddon is that there's far more artistically minded people here, people who are actually creating stuff and want to buy the materials to create stuff, which is great. And I think what Peter's done here is a great start to what could be a growing convention.